some point in the life of your security system, you may have to replace the batteries in your window contacts. Your window contact is equipped with a low battery technology that will send a low battery signal to your keypad to alert you before the battery gets too low. Be sure to contact us about putting your system on test before replacing your batteries. Insert a small screwdriver into the notches on the side of the window contact and gently lift to remove the cover. Remove the old battery and replace it with a fresh one. Be sure to insert the battery in the correct orientation. Snap the lid back on the window contact and perform a sensor reset at your keypad in order to clear the low battery message. Once the sensor reset is complete, be sure to contact us about taking your system off test. Window contacts use 3-volt lithium batteries CR2430, which can be purchased at any electronics retailer or directly from us. Be sure to recycle your used lithium batteries in accordance with your state and local guidelines.